just want it.
Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
So, how was the intro of this super cool 1978 Corvette, guys, from Adventure Force? And it's actually from Maisto, and it's just given a different name, Adventure Force, right here. I'll tell you the whole story in the next week's video, because the next week's video is gonna be the info and the unboxing, yes, of this cool Corvette. So stay tuned for that, and let me tell you, the deal is true, guys. Yes, I got this car for a pretty good deal in Flipkart, so don't worry. The links of this car will be in the description below, so check them out, and I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for more. If you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and hit the like button to stay tuned and for more of such contents. See you then. Bye bye. DCS out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.